Hey everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're showing a small form, fill, and seal unit right now. It's made by the Automatic Packaging Machine Company, and it's a Chinese manufacturer. It does have a lovely little control system, very easy to follow. See the sealing jaws here. Let me open this up for you. It's only made for a small sachet type package, so the film would travel over this forming tube, which you see right here. Travel inside the guide here and sealed down there with one side being folded, the cutting knife below, and the discharge conveyor. See our two temperature controls, one for the vertical, one for the horizontal seal. Has a hot stamp imprinter and a very nice little volumetric seeds, nuts, anything small. Has a very nice little simple set of opening and closing them with a couple of nuts that are completely adjustable on these little arms right here. See a little dancer arm right here, automatically turns on when I see some film pulled and knows it needs more film. It's operating on 220 single phase voltage. Let me give you a look inside here, open both our doors. Actually very nice and simply made, easy to follow, great for small form, fill, and seal packages. You'll find this on our website under packaging, form, fill, and seal. You'll see all related equipment in our stock right now. It is a food grade design. We hope you visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video.